to our honorable chief guest for the day, our CEO, Mr. Rishabh Gupta.
Yes,
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion. The chief guest is accompanied by our respected principal, ma'am, Mrs. T. Srivastava, under whose guidance the entire show was conceptualized and implemented. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable guidance and inputs. I would request the parents to please sit down. Let me also place on record the dedicated efforts of the entire team of teachers and staff members. They have left no stone unturned to polish the potential of the little ones and bring out the best in them. A big round of applause for all students and teachers. As a parent, you will also experience that the grooming which we give at Richmond makes them more confident, articulate, and expressive. The school takes immense pride in informing you that the Times of India has ranked Richmond Global School as among the top 3 best schools in West Delhi. A big round of applause for it. In addition to this, the school has recently been conferred with the Times Business Award for being the leading global school in West Delhi. All this would not have been possible without the dynamic leadership of our CEO, Sir Mr. Rishabh Gupta, and the vision of our respected principal, ma'am, Mrs. T. Srivastava, and of course, the dedicated team efforts of the entire staff at Richmond. A big round of applause for all. Now I would like to call upon Ms. Neha, who will be taking the show forward from here. And I must assure you that you are in for a very pleasant surprise. The kids have performed really well and you will really enjoy the event. Welcome, Sneha.
Good morning to all my dear students, respective teachers and parents. I welcome you all on the behalf of RGS family. From the bottom of my heart, I welcome our chief guest of the event, CEO of RGS, Mr. Rishabh Gupta sir, and the principal of RGS, Mrs. T. Srivastava ma'am. We all are pleased to have you all here. Today, as we all know, we have gathered for the event Show and Tell, a musical and vibrant world of colors, colorful birds humming. And our tiny tots have prepared really well for this event. I would really like you all to keep applauding and praising our students and motivating them because they have really worked hard for the event. Alright, thank you so much and I hope you enjoy the event.
Wow, this place looks so beautiful today. Such a lovely decoration. But why is it so glamorous? I don't think there's any festival today.
Oh, you must not be aware, Aksa. Let me tell you, some of the little kids of our school have a surprise for us.
Is it? Please tell me as well.
No, it's a surprise for everyone sitting here. You have to wait and watch it yourself.
It's not fair. I can't wait.
I'm sorry, Aksa. You have to wait.
Can you hear some footsteps, Ishna? Now why are you giggling, Ishna?
Because my friends, those are students of our school, cannot wait to show us their glamorous performance on Ina Mina Deka Dynaminica.
Oh, that's the retro song. I love it. I get an exciting feeling every time I listen to it.
So now, let us hold our breath and welcome the students of our school to perform on a song sung by none other than historic singing icon, Mr. Kishore Kumar.
Can we have a loud cheer for all of them, please? That was such an amazing performance. I cannot believe we have such hidden talents in our school. Oh, I want to dance like that too.
Okay. Let us not get into this conversation. And without further delay, let us call our next performance.
So let's welcome our tiniest tots in their shimmy dresses for a fashion show.
What? Did I hear it right? A fashion show?
Well, yes. Class 1 is very confident and I have heard that they are looking so cute in their pretty dresses.
We would appreciate our audience to keep applauding for class 1 who will show us an amazing fashion ramp now.
Rock with it, girl. Sing with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. Put my heart.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, no being on. It's my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, no being on. Till I get to dancing, I got money. No, I ain't got cash, no, I ain't got cash.
Is not strong without a pillar. Similarly, a school is nothing without a principal. I, on the behalf of whole Rishma family, enormously thank the principal ma'am, Mrs. T. Srivastava, for being an inspiration. Now, I would like to call the principal ma'am to enlighten us with a few words.
A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to our CEO, Shukupta, and wonderful parents and very wonderful students and teachers. I think the show is set for the grand finale. If you look at the environment and the things we have put up to create that ambience, speaks it more. Today, as I stand here, let me tell you the agenda for today. Our students have gone to St. Mark to fight it out in a debate competition. Our trip has gone to Ulster. Some 300 students have gone. Our teachers have gone for Cambridge learning. We have show and tell, and we have few more items for today itself. We are covering back-to-back incidents so that we give 100% participation to all our students. Show and tell is a concept where a child is introduced to a stage. He can speak with confidence. The previous show and tell was on jungle safari, birds. Today is birds. Previously it was on flowers. By the teller's report, we understand when children do it by themselves, they learn it faster. What better stage can be when the children can speak about flamingo, sparrow, kite, and the birds which we have never heard of. This not only gives them confidence, it is learning with excitement. I really welcome you all to this show to understand how your children will start speaking fluently, not by memorization, but by doing it in a way where the peer circle is doing it and they themselves have to follow the stage. Thank you so much. Enjoy this show, and I would like your feedback, how you found the show, and please be encouraged. Do give a good round of applause to the students so that they feel confident and they can continue on a bigger pace. Thank you so much.
Oh my lord, I am in dilemma right now. How can these such young little kids be so confident?
That's the speciality of our school and our educators.
Esna, I am still waiting for the surprise you talked about.
Aksa, the wait is over now. The performance is earlier, and we have the youngest members of our school to blow our mind from their surprise.
So let's welcome the show stars of the day with a big round of claps. Good morning, everyone. I am a pure mom. I have a shiny black feather. I am not more my dog.
Very good.
Hello everyone, I am Roaster. Red round on my head. I eat fruit, grains, insects. I make very loud sound. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a penguin. I am muscular body. I can fly forward, sideways, up and down. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a sailor. I am a driver in black table. I is my name, Andy, and Hush. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a turkey. I am very loud voice. I am making different sounds. I am excellent today. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a peacock, the most beautiful creature of the earth. I am famous for bright colored feathers. I am national bird of India. Thank you. eagle. I am very powerful and clever one. I eat insects, small animals and birds. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Penguin. I have white belly and wings. I have a unique voice. I have a unique voice. I eat small fish. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am a parrot. I am green in color. I eat food, grass, with two. Good morning, everyone. I am a swan. I am a water bird. I am known for my beauty. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a kiwi. I have brown feathers.
Very nice. Yes, I cannot fly.
I cannot fly,
And my wings are like stars.
and my wings are very small.
I cannot see well. No problem, no problem. Smile, smile.
Thank you. I'm a colorful bird. I have a long beak and very Good morning, everyone. I am a kingfisher. I am a multicolor bird. I have a long beak and short tail. I am a famous for hunting and eating fishes. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am a dove. Quack, quack, quack. I go fly in the sky. I am the bee, but the moon. Thank you. I cannot believe we have such hidden gems in our school. I have the same feeling as you have, also. Now, I Actually, I would like to call our coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Shilpa Khanna, to enlighten us with a few words.
A very good afternoon to everyone. With immense pleasure, I, Shilpa Khanna, the pre-primary coordinator, on behalf of Richmond Global School, welcome you all. I feel honored to propose this vote of thanks to each and everyone. Without your kind cooperation, without your efforts from making the costumes and getting them ready, each and everything, a very big thank you to all the parents of Prep A. I would like to thank all my teachers, the music department, art department, each and everyone. They have put in so much effort, their hard work, and a big thank you to our respected principal ma'am. Without your guidance, without each and every step, she's guiding us, mentoring us. This function would not have been possible without the principal ma'am. And a great thank you to our CEO sir. So thank you everyone, and we have arranged some refreshments also. So please, I just request all the parents to have tea, refreshments, and take your watch from nursery.
You must not be aware, Alsa. Let me tell you. Some of the little kids of our school have a surprise for us.
Is it? Please tell me as well.
No. It's a surprise for everyone sitting here. You have to read and watch it yourself.
It's not there. I can't wait.
I'm sorry, Alsa. You have to.
Can you hear some footsteps, Esther? Now why are you giggling, Esther?
Because my friends, those are students of our school, cannot wait to show their glamorous performance on Inabinatika, Gainanika.
Oh, that's the retro song. I love it. It gives me such an exciting feeling every time I listen to it.
So now, let us hold our breath and welcome the students of our school to perform on a song sung by none other than historic singing icon, Mr. Kishore Kumar.
Can we have a loud cheer for all of them, please?
करेगा एक भी मैं खुशी खुशी उसे ये दिल दे दूंगा कसम खा रहा हूँ कि नाम भी ना लूंगा मगर ये कहूँगा मगर ये कहूँगा
That performance was amazing. I cannot believe we have such hidden talents in our school. I want to dance like that too. Okay. Let us not get into this conversation. And without further delay, let us come our next performance. So let's welcome our tiniest tots in their shimmery dresses for a fashion show.
What? Did I hear it right? A fashion show?
Well, yes, class one is very confident, and I have heard that they are looking so cute in their pretty dresses.
We will appreciate our audience. Please applaud for class 1 who will show us an amazing fashion jump now.
Up with it, girl, see what I did, girl, come on, girl, bounce with it, girl, dance with it, girl, get with it, girl, come on,
Come on, turn the radio on, it's Friday night, no better on, it's my head, my head, come on, it's Friday night, no better on, till I got
me and you, girl, you and this, coming to the club, I'm in the dance.
As a house is not strong without a pillar, similarly, a school is nothing without a principal. I, on the behalf of whole Richmond family, enormously thank the principal ma'am, Mrs. K. Srivastava, for being an inspiration. Now, I would like to call the principal ma'am to enlighten us with a few words.
Thank you so much. The stage is set. The essence is the show and tell for the tiny tots, the students of TREP who are daring to come on the stage for the first time. May I now request you all to become alert and to clap them like anything, because for the first time they're coming on this small stage. And the reason for show and tell is only those parents, so that we encourage them, the budding talent, so that they never have stage fear, because holding the mic and talking means lots. There are millions of thousands of butterflies in the stomach before you have to speak. You have the strength to stand and speak. and this is what we do it at the school. You'll understand why we have decorations and all everything. This is for the prince and the princess to feel great and to be able to address to their parents and aunties and uncle that I can do it. The show and tell is nothing but a stage to make that communication skill good. So it's like an onion peel, the dance, the everything. Finally the children will become like a butterfly. The process has begun, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a big round of clap because today we will talk about birds. And I'm sure if I ask you, name 5 birds, you will not be able to do it. But 30 children will speak about those kind of exotic birds whose names you've never heard of. Flamingo, peacock, sparrow, those which are becoming extinct. But here at Richmond Global School, we will teach them knowledge and communication without getting them stressed. So kindly bear and give them a good clap. Thank you so much.
Oh my lord, I am in dilemma right now. How can these such young little kids be so confident? That is the speciality of our school and our educators. Esna, I am still waiting for the surprise you talked about. The wait is over now, Aksa. The performances earlier were just some glimpses. Now we have the youngest members of our school to perform on a song. Now we have the youngest members of our school who will blow our mind from their surprise.
So let's welcome the showstars of the day with a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I am Penguin. I am a white belly, black pig, black bag. I eat small fish. I make macaroni with. Thank you. Morning, everyone. I am a rooster. I have a red on my head. I eat insects and food there. I'm a cloud on Good morning, everyone. I am a police. I found the Nigeria. I do more good. I make nice for my Good evening, everyone. I am a peacock. I am a more beautiful creature on earth. I am a blue-colored bird, and my feathers are blue, green, and golden. My voice is very far, which can be heard from 2 kilometers away. I am the national bird of India. Thank you. Hello, everyone. I am Nightingale. I am brown body and reddish skin. I am Monica Beauty. I know now Memoria. Thank you, bye. I am a woodpecker. I am song from the bee. I am known for certain roles in my tea time too. Good morning everyone. I am calling rainbow color large thing. I am very thank you. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Character green color with and grass and more and little. Hello everyone. I am Hummingbird. I have long wings, muscular body. I can fly forward, sideways, upward, down. I am very colorful. I am as small as bird. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mother. I cannot fly in the sky. I like to be water. I do that. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am the square. I am the water. Please everybody, I love to eat fish, eggs. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Mana. I am very good. And the music thank you. I am Peter. I am beautiful, medium-sized one. I have small feet. I have 8 minutes.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. I am dog. I am four. Long-tailed pigeon. I have white color. Red. Many eggs. Yes, thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Owl. I am Owl. I am very I Thank you.
hidden gems in the school. I have the same feeling as you have observed. Now, I would like to call the coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Shilpa Khanna, to enlighten us with a few words.
A very good afternoon to everyone. I, Shilpa Khanna, with immense pleasure on behalf of Richmond Global School, welcome you all. I feel honored to propose my vote of thanks to all the parents of Prep B for your endless efforts, for beautiful costumes you have made, for making them practice, for each and everything, for your kind cooperation. And I would like to thank all my teachers, the art department, music department, for making this function a grand success. And I would like to give a big thank you to our respected principal ma'am for mentoring us, for guiding us on each and every step. Thank you.